Okay, so you're not requesting any preliminary orders at this time?
Not at this time, no.
The state alleges Christopher Hood, Leo Cullinan, and the group Nationalist Social Club 131 violated the Civil Rights Act when they hung a Keep New England White banner from the overpass in Portsmouth back in July.
You can stand on the sidewalk, but what happened was they affixed the signs and the banners to the fencing over the bridge, and that's where the trespass arose. You're not allowed to do that without either permitting from the state or the city.
Hood and Cullinan have argued that they didn't trespass and they were expressing free speech. They say they're having a hard time finding an attorney in New Hampshire to represent them and are hoping to work with attorneys from out of state. But the judge says they need to find someone local.
So it has nothing to do with the case, has nothing to do with you, has nothing to do with the allegations here. It just means you've got to get a local lawyer.
In a statement to News 9, the Massachusetts attorneys they're currently working with said in part, quote, "We agreed to take the case because apparently no members of the New Hampshire bar are willing to do so, likely out of fear that if they enter an appearance as local counsel, they'll be tossed into a basket of deplorables." The AG's office says there's been a troubling trend with an increase in hate crimes across the state this year. The most recent case just last week in Portsmouth.
This is conduct that isn't going to be accepted or tolerated in the state of New Hampshire, and that we will pursue any violation of the Civil Rights Act or any hate-motivated act in the state to the fullest extent the law allows us to.
And right now, the next court date has not been scheduled. In Portsmouth, I'm Hannah Cotter, WMUR News 9.